Hi there and welcome at Smully Art. Are you guys as excited as I am for the release of the Batman? Well, I'm really looking forward to this one, and while we're waiting for the actual release of the movie, I thought it was a cool idea to make a cool illustration of the Batman. So let's turn around the camera and let's start drawing. In this video I wanted to draw the suit from the upcoming movie, and this asks for a different approach in comparison to the comic version of the character, where we see more focus on drawing muscles and veins and rendering techniques such as cross-hatching to enhance the strong physique of our character. The movie version of Batman, especially the more recent ones, are more driven by a very detailed suit with a lot of armor plates to protect him during battle, so no muscles to be seen here. The rendering will be more focused on conveying all the different textures from the suit, and the line work has to be even more secure. Sounds like an interesting challenge, no? Would you like me to draw other characters as well from this movie or the Batman universe in general? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, the rough sketch is done, time to break out some pencils to finish these lines and to add more details. The Batman is an upcoming American superhero film based on the DC Comics character Batman, and is a reboot of the Batman film franchise. The film was directed by Matt Reeves, who wrote the screenplay with Peter Craig. It stars Robert Pattinson as Bruce Wayne or Batman. Set in the second year of fighting crime, the film sees Batman uncover corruption in Gotham City while pursuing the Riddler, a serial killer who targets Gotham's elite. He uncovers corruption that connects to his own family during the investigation and is forced to make new allies to catch the Riddler and bring the corrupt to justice. Matt Reeves wanted to explore Batman's detective side more than previous films, drawing inspiration from the 1970s films and comics such as Year One and Ego. The Batman is scheduled to premiere in New York City on March 1st, 2022. And will be theatrically released on March 4th. Would you like me to draw other characters as well from this movie or the Batman universe in general? Let me know in the comment section. And now that the pencils are done, it's time to kick this drawing into the last phase, and that is thinking time. Here we go. that's it for this week's video. I hope you guys liked my drawing of the Batman. And if you liked the video, why not hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I put out new videos. It's every Friday, a great way to start the weekend. And if you want to help me and this channel even more, please share this content on all your social media platforms, it would help a lot. I wish you all a great weekend, my friends. We will see each other again next Friday. Bye!